Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of cookware, specifically the Caraway Nonstick ceramic cookware set. Let me tell you, folks, if you're in the market for the best induction pots and pans, you're in for a treat. Let's start with the basics. This 12-piece set from Caraway is a game-changer in the kitchen. Crafted with precision and designed with elegance, these pots and pans are not just cookware, they're a statement piece for your culinary adventures. What sets Caraway apart from the competition? Well, let's break it down. First off, these pots and pans feature a naturally non-stick ceramic coating. Say goodbye to excessive oil and butter because these babies require minimal lubrication for a flawless cooking experience. And here's the kicker. They're completely non-toxic. That's right, no harmful chemicals like PTFE, PFOA, or PFAs lurking in your food. Caraway is committed to keeping you and your family safe while you whip up delicious meals. But wait, there's more. These pots and pans are stovetop agnostic, meaning they'll work like a charm on any cooking surface. Whether you have induction, gas, or electric, Caraway has you covered. Plus, they're oven safe up to a whopping 550 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can seamlessly transition from stovetop to oven without missing a beat. Now, let's talk organization. Caraway doesn't just stop at cookware. They've thought of everything. This set comes with modular magnetic pan racks and a canvas lid holder with hooks, keeping your kitchen clutter-free and your pots and pans within easy reach. So, there you have it, folks. The Caraway Nonstick ceramic cookware set is a game-changer in the world of induction pots and pans. With its superior quality, non-toxic coating, and versatile design, it's a must-have for any kitchen enthusiast. Trust me, once you experience the magic of Caraway, you'll wonder how you ever cooked without it. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of your favorite products. Until next time, happy cooking!